Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here with a healthy and delicious milkshake which is originated from Malabar area, mainly Kozhikode. This drink is a mixture of rice flakes, banana and nuts. So let's start making it. First we need to soak 8 cashews in water for half an hour. Keep it aside and let's start frying rice flakes. I have used white, you can take brown rice flakes also. In Maharashtra, these rice flakes are called poha and this has got lots of health benefits. It's a good probiotic food with less calories and easily digestible. Also, this is good for diabetic patients because it controls blood sugar levels. After frying for 5 to 6 minutes, poha is crisp now and we can easily bake with our hands like this. Remove rice flakes and to this goes quarter cup of peanuts. I had roasted peanuts with me so it will take only a few minutes. If it's a plain one then fry until it becomes crunchy. Keep the flame medium low and keep on checking. Don't overburn it, it needs a few more minutes of frying. Our peanuts are done now, let's start making avil milk. Add 6 ripe bananas to a blender. Usually it's made with Mysore banana but in North India, Robusta and ladyfinger bananas are always available in local markets. To this goes 2 cups of chilled milk and 8 cashews which is completely optional. And I am adding 1 teaspoon of boost and 3 tablespoons of sugar. My banana is not too ripe so I am adding 3 tablespoons which is of medium sweetness only. If it's of more ripe, add less sugar. Our nutritious avil milk is ready to serve. Earlier it was made with milk, rice flakes and banana only but later it got changed and the current version is like this. Fill 3/4 of a serving glass with banana juice and on top of this add 2 handfuls of roasted rice flakes. Add a little more juice and top with roasted peanuts. Except sugar, there is no unhealthy ingredient in this and we can avoid that too if banana is of more ripe. This could be a perfect breakfast smoothie to satisfy our hunger and can be made very easily, so please do try. I will be coming with a more exciting recipe in the next video, so stay tuned and bye bye.